Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic introduction to Android operating system. Friend, today's topic is very important and this is a topic which we have taken from the mobile development of computer science. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Friend, what is basically Android? Android is basically an operating system which we used for the development of mobile applications. The mobile applications means that the applications which generally executed or running on the mobile phone sets actually. Okay, so that is called as the main concept of Android operating system. Android is an open source and Linux based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computer. Android was developed by the Open Handset and Alliance led by Google and other companies. Android offers a unified approach to application development for mobile devices, which means developers need only develop for Android and their application should be able to run on different devices powered by Android. The first beta version of the Android Software Development Kit (SDK) was released by Google in 2007, whereas the first commercial version Android 1.0 was released in September 2008. The source code for Android is available under free and open source software licenses. Google publishes most of the code under the Apache license version 2.0 and the rest Linux kernel changes under the GNU General Public License version 2. There are many important features of Android operating system which we should have to discuss. First of all, the UI of the Android applications is very amazing and very attractive. So the UI of the Android application is the very you can say the biggest or the very important feature of the Android, that the UI or user interface is very attractive and very beautiful. Connectivity normally used GSM, Edge, IDEN, CDMA, EVO, UMTS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LTA, NFC, and WiMAX. All these are the connectivity are available for Android. Storage. For storage, SQLite, a lightweight relational database, is used for data storage purposes. Media support, like all the major files like PNG, JF, BMP, WAV, JPEG, MED, MP3, all the important and major well-known media is supported by Android. Messaging, for messaging, SMS and MMS are used. Web browsers based on all the web browsers, WebKit layout engines coupled with Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine supporting HTML5 and CSS3. Multi-touch, Android has native support for multi-touch, which was initially made available in handsets such as HTC Hero. Multitasking, users can jump from one task to another and same time various applications can run simultaneously. So multitasking and multi-touch is supported in Android. Resizable widgets, you can resize the widgets in the Android. Multi-language support, like bidirectional and the multi-language support is there in the Android. As GCM, Google Cloud Messaging, is a service that lets developers send short messages data to their users on Android devices without needing a proprietary sync solution. Wi-Fi Direct is available, a technology that lets apps discover and pair directly over a high bandwidth peer-to-peer connection is available for Android. Android Beam. Android Beam is basically that and a popular NFC near to feed communication based technology that lets user instantly share just by touching two NFC near field communication enabled phones together. So that means you can you can share the things using the Android Beam basically. Android applications. Android applications are usually developed in the Java language using the Android Software Development Kit. Once developed, Android applications can be packaged easily and sold out either through a store such as Google Play Store, SlideMe, Opera Mobile Store, Mabango, uh, FDroid, and the Amazon App Store. So you just have to develop this application, and there are many stores nowadays available like Google Play Store and other stores through which you can publish it. Android powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices in more than 120 countries around the world. It's the largest installed base of any mobile platform and growing very fast. Every day, more than 1 million new Android devices are activated worldwide. So you can imagine the number 1 million every day they are activating. So you can imagine the bandwidth, or you can imagine the quantum of the Android here. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.